A bride sues her wedding photographer after her big day photos come out ruined. Cropped faces, bad lighting, and missed moments. But when the judge reviews the evidence, things get intense fast.
And Derek Gauchi. Oh boy, this is going to be a tough one too, isn't it? Small claims are never easy. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Are the Lukacs here?
Mr. Lukacs.
What about Laszlo R?
Laszlo's good.
I believe they're both in the courtroom, Your Honor.
You guys are brothers?
No. Laszlo. Put your hand up, Laszlo. Put your hand up. He's the only. And then son.
Sid? 1 second. Can you give me just wait for 1 second, please?
Your Honor, is it okay if I put my cell phone here, just manually adjust the hearing noise?
Sure. And your name, sir?
Derek Gauchi, representing Falcon Film Studios LLC.
Okay. Are you the principal of Falcon Film?
Yes.
All right. So you're familiar with the facts and circumstances here, right?
Yes.
If you proceed in the small claims division, you're giving up the right to hire a lawyer, demand a trial by jury, seek in excess of $7,000, and to the extent that you might be entitled to it, I'm sorry, giving up your right to a lawyer, right to demand a trial by jury, and your right to appeal my decision. You can't do any of those things if you stay here. If you want to be able to hire a lawyer, appeal my decision if it's lousy, demand a trial by jury, or any one of those things, just tell me. I'll remove the case to the general civil division. You can hire a lawyer, appeal my decision if you don't like it, and demand a trial by jury. You understand everything I just said, ma'am? Sir?
Yes, Your
Do you
Honor.
wish to waive those rights and proceed here, or have the case removed? Ma'am? Sir?
I'll waive those rights as well.
All right. On behalf of Falcon Films, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And on behalf of yourself, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm. You solemnly swear affirm that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got, sir?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am. Okay. Tell me what happened. You're the plaintiff, right?
Yes. I reached out to Falcon Film Studios to hire photography and videography for my vow renewal.
For what?
Photography and videography for my vow renewal.
Okay. Do you have a contract?
Yes, I do.
Let me see the contract. So you're renewing vows with your husband?
Yes.
And when did the vow renewal take place?
It's in August of 24
Where?
at Arnaldo's in Riverview.
How many years?
16.
Wow. You guys are sentimental people, eh? That's nice. I'm just saying.
Let's see.
That's good. Okay. So you hired.
Okay.
How much you pay him?
$5,225 I believe it was.
I want you to make sure.
$5,225.
Okay. Do you agree with that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And so there was supposed to be unlimited video coverage that was going to cost $2,600, right? And there was supposed to be 2 photographers, one unlimited hours and locations, right? Photos to be delivered in a week or less after the wedding. You can actually take some of these, the video by drone.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow. Everything's high tech now. All right. So what happened?
So after communication with Mr. Gauchi, he assigned a photographer. The photographer contacted me the Monday prior to our vow renewal. I explained to him things that I wanted. There was only one particular picture that I wanted. I wanted the general wedding package. I want pictures of my husband. I want pictures of myself, all of my guests, all of our wedding party. We were celebrating 16 years. This is a really big thing for us. I told him all of this. There wasn't anything that was overly complicated that I was requesting. I felt that I wanted just the regular brat package, with the exception of the one photo in particular. He seemed like he had an understanding of that. The day of, he arrived at my house. We had a crew going to our friend's house where the men were getting ready, and then so it was photographer, videographer there, and then we had photographer, videographer at my house.
Okay.
The photographer arrived, the videographer arrived a little bit later. Within 10 minutes, the photographer was argumentative with me about where my pictures were going to be taken prior to Arnaldo's. He wanted to change the location. I said no. It turned into about 3 to 5 minute argument.
Change the location from what to what?
We wanted the pictures the before pictures taken over at the reserve, the wildlife reserve.
Okay.
I believe it is, right off the water. And he wanted to change it to Huron Park. I am not a fan of Huron Park. It's not appropriate for a wedding. They do a lot of like homecoming and prom pictures there. There's geese, there's ducks, it's not great. I was walking through all of that.
Okay.
And it's not where I wanted to be. He kept arguing, saying that he knew what he was doing, and trust the process, everything through the
And you
day.
said you wanted to have them done at the wildlife preserve.
Yeah, it was over in Trenton on the water.
Yeah. Yeah.
They just redone it. It was a really nice
I
pier.
got it. So you guys had a little argument.
Yes. So
And then where did you end up having the pictures taken?
Sorry.
Where were the pictures taken?
They ended up being done at the wildlife reserve.
Okay. Okay. So you had a discussion, argument with this photographer
Yes.
for 3 to 5 minutes. Then what happened?
Then one of my bridesmaids steps in and they discussed several types of package, or several types of pictures that they were like, let's try this house, getting pictures, basically getting dirty pictures, which was fine because it didn't seem like there was any issue after that. We did a first look with my son out on that patio, which turned out, it was really nice. This reserve isn't that far from my house, maybe 10-15 minute drive in the same sunlight, in the same atmosphere. When we got over there, we sent him over there ahead of us because we were still getting ready, and I wanted pictures done of all the guys at the pier, take some nice pictures of them. For 43 minutes, they were over there, and he stood there talking to my husband and our friend Mike, one of the groomsmen, about fishing because they were talking about fishing holes. I do have my husband here. He's not named in this because the contract is between myself and Falcon Film, but he can vouch for all phone calls and interactions as far as that with the photographer. We got there.
But so far, as of this point, there's no issue with bad photography or videography at this point, right?
There were several instances at the house. I wasn't sure if I'm supposed to bring this up now. Sorry, I've never been involved in this all.
You're fine.
I wanted a picture of my dress. He argued about the sunlight coming through the window. I said, in my opinion, it wasn't a problem because it was black. I wanted a black and white photo. I didn't care about the yellow tone of the dress. And then he finally agreed. We put it up above the window, and then I never got the black and white photo. I got another yellow tinted picture. He took pictures. There was one picture in particular. There was a handkerchief, and it says, I'm sorry.
Let me stop you. This is primarily your problem with them isn't over arguments. It's over the quality of the photography, right?
Yes.
And the videography, right?
Yes, the events that happened with Mr. Galchi after everything was delivered.
Okay, so tell me what the problems were. Let's start with photographs. What were the problems?
I submitted pictures. I did like 18 screenshots of the album that is listed online for Falcon Film Studios, and I sent them in. And now these were all random screenshots with the exception of one particular screenshot of my veil. There's pictures, the heads are cut off these pictures. Do you have all those pictures with you, Your Honor?
I have the pictures.
Your Honor, unfortunately, the only way that we can print them is black and white.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, I can share my screen if you wanted me to put them on your computer in color. But
I want you to tell me, you weren't saying all these photos are bad, right?
Yes.
All of
As a
them?
whole, this album is not acceptable to me. Do you want these pictures?
I'll look at anything you want.
I submitted these pictures when I filed this. I sent a copy to Mr. Galchi and I submitted it to the court. These are 18 random screenshots of the album. Heads are cut off. And the one particular picture that I searched out, the photographer's hand is under my veil in every single picture, and I can't edit that out.
Hang on. Wait, slow down. I want to look. Wait. I want to know which pictures you're talking about. So I'm looking at some.
Or do you want me to go page by page? Right.
I'll let you go page by page. I have the black and white. This is you primarily here.
Okay, I don't think I should I hold them up or.
Well, you've got. This is the page you're looking at, right?
Yeah, everything I submitted to the court was in color. I printed them on photo paper as well, so I'm not sure what happened to this. But the first page is a picture of primarily the groomsmen. Their heads are all cut off. There's a picture.
Wait a minute. Where's that one at?
It's the first one in my stack. I'm not sure where it's at in your stack. I don't know what happened as far as from what I gave them.
Do you see the one that I have?
That one. Let me find that one real quick. Okay, so that one would be this picture here. It's very dark.
Wait a minute. You got to point to it. Which one?
So these pictures are very dark. They're all pictures of my back. And in this picture, it's the second one up from the bottom on the left. The videographer is standing there on his cell phone.
Let me see those. What do you think about the quality of these, Mr. Gauchi?
I think that they're actually pretty good. I think that they capture the day really well, but her opinion is what matters most. In my industry, you really do have to, satisfy our clients. It's the biggest day.
Can anybody tell me why was this intentional that they're taking pictures of this gentleman's shoes with the orange socks?
Oh yeah, we thought those socks were really just awesome. We got a lot of groomsmen and they'll wear custom socks, and if we don't capture those, that'll be an issue too. And the photographer, whose name is Nick, might be able to explain it better, but just looking at it as a photographer myself, that's what I would see.
So she's saying she dropped off color photos, Jen.
Judge, I've got Linda bringing down the originals. When we scan it in, it scans in color, but then when I reprint them, so Linda's on her way down with the original packet.
Okay. Trying to figure out a way that I can have you point to these.
Judge, if I try sharing my screen, it might show up in the.
Right.
I don't know if this would work.